So this is the way the kingfisher eats his fish. A kingfisher also desires to eat insects.
First, the pied kingfisher, the largest bird in the world that can hover in still air. At 10 meters above the water's surface, it knows it can't be seen by its prey. To locate a fish, it has to keep its head perfectly still. The tail is used to keep it stationary. The wings beat at 8 times a second. This uses a lot of energy, and the bird can't afford too many misses. In half a second, it catches a fish, but it's far from easy. To have any chance of success, it has to get the dive just right. Once it's locked onto its prey, it begins a controlled descent. At this point, it can still abort the attack if the fish has spotted it. But once it's a couple of meters from the water, there is no turning back. The fish must still be oblivious, or it will have time to escape. The next critical moment comes when the beak hits the water's surface. Here, it's slowed down 200 times. Although it is shaped like an arrow and hardly makes a ripple, the tip of the beak sends shock waves through the water. As the beak goes further in, the waves travel further out and are picked up by the sensitive hairs on the fish's body. Now, the kingfisher's success depends on how quickly the fish reacts. Fish that escape react just 1/50th of a second faster than those that get caught.
As some of you noticed, that the kingfishers love to stay places nearby water, streams, lakes, rivers, any place that contains water and fish. But did you know there are 115 species of a kingfisher? But the most well-known kingfishers are 3: the blue kingfisher, the pied kingfisher, and the red-backed kingfisher. But all of them have the short legs, pointed head, a pointed beak, the round head, the round body. They all have the same body and the body structure, but they have different colors and maybe some different heights. But did you know that blue kingfishers live placed in the forest or in the forest streams? On the other hand, the red-backed kingfishers live in Australia, and the pied kingfishers live in dry lands. That does not mean they live in deserts. No, they live in dry lands.
And the pied kingfishers lives in places nearby rivers, large lakes, small lakes, and sometimes in estuaries.
Have we ever asked how does birds reproduce and lay eggs? And how much time does it take to hatch an egg? Today, I'm going to explain all of this. We all know that birds have small bodies, and birds have smaller organs. scientists discovered that birds do not have penises. So, they have a cloaca. They use a cloaca. Males use a cloaca to release sperm. On the other hand, females use it to receive sperm. This process lasts only for a few seconds. This act is known as the cloacal kiss. It's when a male mounts a female. How? By twisting his tail beneath her and letting up their cloaca so he can inseminate her. In this way, his sperm fertilizes the egg produced by her ovum, after which her body coats it in its protective shell. After all of this, the egg will be laid. But how much time does it take to hatch? I found that it takes 21 days so it can be hatched. And I also found that there are 21 steps in the egg so the bird can hatch and can grow. And every day steps happen which can help the bird to grow faster and hatch faster. So in this way, we knew how does birds reproduce and how much time does it take to hatch an egg and how many steps goes inside the egg and how many days does it take